Hey, when I started this channel 8 years ago, I planned on launching a Drywall Academy. And just as it says up there, it's now live. At drywallacademy.com, we now have courses starting. We have several levels for you. We have a free level if you just want to come check it out. You get very limited access with that, and it's free for 14 days. Then you get a bronze level, and you get a little bit more course instruction, and we'll be adding to all these all the time. Then we also have the silver level and the gold level. Each level gets you more advanced training. So you got to pick which one fits you and try it out. Now we do have some special offers for you too to make it a little bit easier to get in there and check it out. Like, I'm going to give you $50 off a yearly purchase. If you do the gold plan, you can do a yearly purchase or a monthly purchase. But if you decide to do the gold plan, that's the one that's going to get you all the training that we're going to put in there. That's kind of the highest level right now. And that one, you'll get $50 off. I'm going to put links to all of these courses and the discount codes in the description. So be sure and open that up if you want to take advantage of those bonuses. And I'm limiting that, like on the gold, we're only going to give that to the first 10 people that sign up. So don't wait around. Get in there and sign up right now and you'll get that $50 off. If you want to sign up at the silver level, I'm offering 25% off your first month is subscription. There it's a monthly. You also can do a yearly. You save about 2 months worth of fees by doing the yearly plan. So that special offer is going to give you 25% off your first month. A lot of these plans have a free trial period, so you can go in there and check it out. If you don't think it's what you're looking for, you don't think it's going to benefit you, you don't have to pay anything. You can cancel your membership. So there's a free, a bronze, a silver, and a gold. We're going to be teaching everything in there. That's where most of my content is going to be going from now on. I'm still going to put some stuff on YouTube, so don't worry. But the in-depth, detailed, real good training material, you're only going to get it there. Why should you go take a course versus just watching all these YouTubers? We're all out here showing you how to do it right. Well, the thing is, here's a couple of things to think about. Every time we put out one of these videos, what do? Hey, welcome to the channel, or we start talking about this and that, and then we do an intro, and then maybe we show you which knife to use, which material to use. We do that over and over and over. So you see a lot of kind of fluff. Be sure and like and subscribe, you know, all that stuff. Well, in the courses, you're not going to get that. You're just going to get training. And so you're going to get it a lot faster, and you're not going to be hearing the same things over and over. The other big advantage is we can teach it to you in a more logical format. We're going to start you at point A. We're not going to have you jump out of the airplane, try and figure out where that cord is to pull and pull your parachute. We're going to show you that parachute on the ground, so to speak. So I'm going to walk you through from the very beginning of drywall, the history of it, and you can kind of skip through and read what you want, but there's going to be a history of it, why it's popular, uses of it. We're going to talk about different types of drywall materials. I'll go through all the tools, the materials, the uses. Then we'll get into techniques and move into everything from basic drywall repairs. We're going to show you how to spread the mud in ways that'll get it done faster, smoother, with less sanding and less frustration. I'm going to take a lot of the mystery out of things where you're always asking these questions. I've actually paid somebody to go through and catalog a bunch of your questions and my answers so that I can make sure I cover as much as possible. Now, like I say, we just launched it as of November, I think it's the 14th today. Actually, I know it is because this would have been my mother's birthday, and she passed away on November 5th of last year. Can't forget this day. Anyway, on her birthday, we're celebrating it with the launch of our Drywall Academy. So anyway, there's not a whole lot of material on there right now. I've got 3 or 4 courses on there, but once I have launched this, it's going to be my goal to just start putting out material constantly. So it's a membership-based program where you come in and you can buy a yearly pass or a monthly pass, and you'll just get information coming in there all the time. We're going to do some in-depth stuff, like over here I've got a setup where I'm going to test all these additives to drywall mud. A lot of you are putting soap in, bleach in your mud to keep it from spoiling and so on. Well, I've got a bunch of test stuff over here. We're going to find out if that affects the adhesion. That's the kind of stuff we're going to teach. We're going to go in depth and teach all kinds of stuff that we really can't teach on YouTube. And then why can't we teach it on YouTube? Here's the problem with YouTube. A lot of you are not going to watch those videos about something that nobody really realizes you need to know. I know a lot of things you guys need to know, but if I put that on YouTube, the way the algorithm works, you won't see it. My video will flop, and I just don't reach my viewers with that subject because YouTube really bases it off of what people are searching for. So if you don't know that you need to know it, you're not going to search for it. Therefore, there's no point in me trying to teach it. But in these Academy courses, I'm going to put it in that logical order. You're going to see everything as you go through the courses, and you're going to check it off. There's going to be some quizzes, kind of like I've done on my community tab. There'll be a lot more information on there. It's just going to teach you a lot better. One of the courses is why take an online course versus YouTube. So go check that out. And you should better go to drywallacademy.com. You'll land on my gold membership page, but you got other options there. That'll give you a start to it. Sign up for one of them, get a free trial, check it out for a while, and see what you think. Now, I'm open to ideas. If you guys got any suggestions for me on what you would like to see, if you see anything confusing, if you see anything that's you think is not working right, let me know, because this is brand new to me, and honestly, it's confusing as hell. I have spent a week trying to figure out how to launch this course because this course is so flexible. I can do so much on here, which is a good thing. That's why I picked this. Thinkific is what I'm using, but it's also very confusing. It's taken me quite a while to figure out how to get this all set up, put some courses on there, and so on. And now the courses will be a combination of text, images, video. So it's going to be kind of like a combination of everything. That's the other thing you can't get from YouTube. We can't put a PDF in there that you could download. Some of this is going to be downloadable. Other, it's just going to be there for you to come back and look at anytime you want. And that's the advantage of it. The other advantage to an online course is you're going to get information only from the Drywall Academy. So mostly me. And the advantage to that is that there's a lot of other YouTubers out there and some really good channels. But we all have a little bit different method of doing things. And that confuses a lot of you because you go to one channel and the guy says, hey, the only thing you guys should be using is a Hawken trowel. That's the way to go. And then you come to my channel and I'm telling you about a pan and a knife or different materials. I hear this all the time. I went to so-and-so's channel and he says to only use this or never to use this, but you say to use this. What's up? Well, a lot of times it's really just kind of a different technique. And sometimes if I say to use a certain product, you really need to. The other guy may say to use a different product, but maybe he's using it in a different way. So it's really important to avoid confusion and frustration to learn from one channel. So I'm here to help you guys. This is what this Drywall Academy is about. It's not about YouTube views, and the YouTube algorithm is actually killing my channel anyway. I got hacked last year. I think that hurt it. And I'm just not reaching hardly any of you. So with this drywall school, I can reach you guys a lot better and teach you a lot better. So go to drywallacademy.com, check it out, and I'm putting my contact information in there. If you got any questions, you'll have a direct email to me. You can reach me and ask me if you think something's off. I'm also giving gold members like up to 2 live streams a month, or we can increase it to 4 if there's a demand for it, and that's just for the gold level. Silver will get 1 live stream a month where you can ask me whatever you want in that live stream, and there won't be so many people in there. You can get a word in edgewise, so to speak, because it's just for you guys. There's other bonuses I'm giving, like gold level, you get up to 30 minutes of Skype or telephone conversation with me each month to discuss projects, drywall techniques, or whatever. So there's lots of ways to have one-on-one training directly with me by signing up for this Drywall Academy. Hey, I look forward to seeing you guys. Let's get this thing rolling. This has been years of planning. Head on over to drywallacademy.com and say hi in the community room. We got a community room just where you guys can chat. I'm going to be setting up more, and I look forward to talking to you over there. Thanks for all the 8 years of support and helping me get this thing off the ground, and let's get this thing rolling. I'll see you over there. As usual, take care, everybody.